In this video tutorial, we'll discuss the frequency and true RMS data acquisition methods available in WinDaq data acquisition software. In order to use the frequency or RMS acquisition methods, you'll need to be in expert mode. To get into expert mode, choose your device in the WinDaq dashboard and choose expert mode from the configure pull-down menu. With expert mode enabled, we'll start WinDaq. Now, if you navigate to the channel settings window, you'll notice that the RMS and frequency acquisition methods are both grayed out. To make those options available, we'll choose Preferences from the Edit pull-down menu, select Maximum Sample Rate, and uncheck Auto. With the auto option disabled, we can see that frequency and RMS are now available in WinDaq. We'll begin the demonstration by showing you how to acquire frequency using the frequency acquisition method. Before we can display frequency using the frequency acquisition method, we'll need to do some configuration. To do so, we'll select Preferences from the Edit pull-down menu and select Frequency. Here we can choose a slope, a window size, and set a trigger level. Window size is really just a sample size, and when acquiring frequency, you want that sample size to be about 10 complete cycles of the waveform. Since we're acquiring a 100 Hz waveform, one cycle is 10 milliseconds. So we want to set a window size around 100 milliseconds. We'll enter our 100 millisecond window size in the frequency dialog box, and then we'll set a trigger level. The trigger level should be somewhere right around the center of the waveform, or around 0 volts in this case. To set that trigger, we'll just left-click the mouse. With the slope, window size, and trigger level set, simply select Frequency from the Channel Settings window to display the frequency of your waveform. Displaying the RMS equivalent of a waveform will also take some configuration. Once again, we'll choose Preferences from the Edit pull-down menu and select RMS window size. Just as with the frequency acquisition method, you'll need to choose a window size or sample size. In the case of RMS, that sample size is usually several cycles. In this case, 40 to 50 milliseconds. Now, to display the RMS equivalent of our AC waveform, we'll choose Channel Settings from the Edit pull-down menu and select RMS.